All right, guys, Brandon would be clean here, and you'll see me here in the videos, and most people are like, why are you filming your own videos? Well, because I like to make sure I like the videos shot the way I like them, and the way to get them done the way I like. So I like doing one job a day because I like talking to the customers and coming outside. Well, anyway, I'm out here on the couch cleaning. We're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sofas, and also this area rug, right? And as I was getting ready to do our inspection, of course, got a nice little shark vacuum. I do it with my hand at first, see where we're getting at. But I seen that there's a pet, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm grooming the furniture to get all this pet hair up, right? So you got some dander, see it flaring off. It's all on the pants here. Look at all that, right? Check this out. Look at that. See that there? Look at that. So now I'm getting all the pet hair up. I'm rolling it up here, making sure that it all comes off. Okay, it's like a cat. Some dander. My nose is starting to go because I am allergic to the dander. Now, most people think it's their pet that they're allergic to, or the dog. Oh, I'm allergic to dog. I'm allergic to cats. It's really the dander. I have a dog. I'm actually allergic to this dander, but it's still my dog. All right, I didn't find that out until after I didn't give him a bath for about a week, and things started getting bad. So, as you can see, it's really the dander that most people are allergic to. It's not actually the pet and the pet hair, but I'm getting this up pretty well. And as I get this all up, I am going to do I'm going to do a vacuum, right? Suck it all up, and then we'll start the cleaning process. Right here, we have natural fiber, okay? Very simple. We're using the piece cleaner today. I already have it mixed together. It's in my spray bottle. Put on my upholstery. I like misting it, okay? It's delicate, it's natural fiber. You could spray it down, but the way it dries, that dwell time, really messes that up, okay? So I'm getting in here. I'm still getting this stuff. See all the hairs coming up? All right, so stick with me. All right, guys, so I got this one done, got this one done. And as you can see, there's less pet hair on this one than this one. So this is the couch that the cat loves. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this thing up here. All right, guys, so here's our hog hair with some more coarse. We actually won't need it on this type of material because there's not any excessive stains, right? So we're going to be treating it for the dander, deodorize it. We're using a low moisture because this is some thick padding. And whatever's underneath here will wick up to the top. Wicking means if it gets too moist, when it dries, it's going to come out. It's going to be a mess, okay? Way worse, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, get this all up here. Do a nice spray down. Look at the sides, front. And you don't have to get underneath the pillows because there's nothing underneath there. Excuse me. The dander is really getting with me in here with the pet. You can see it's all over my stuff. All right, so now we have moved on to the living room here. And same process. So as you can see, I got some vacuum lines on here. Did my vacuum, right? After that, I'm applying the pre-spray here. Now, once again, we're not soaking this thing. We're misting it, getting it cleaned here. There was a couple pillows that had some stains on it, so we are actually cleaning it. And the reason why I said we're doing this like this is because you don't want anything to wick and come up back to the top, okay? All right, so now we got the couches clean. They look good. And now we're focusing on the rug. So I decided I was going to use the Orbiter, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and use the larger 175. And I'm using a red pad on here. People are like, that is for hard surface floorings, but it does just as well of a job. The reason why I chose to get rid of that Orbiter, because we got a lot of dark stains on here. Now, although this is a nice rug, they call it an Oriental rug, I'm going to go ahead and still continue to use our proprietary product, the piece cleaner on here, and a semi-hard pad on here. It's going to work great. All right. Now I'm spraying before because it's going to give me some time to allow this to dwell. Dwelling means let it work into the rug here. It's really good. And so after I'm finished, I'm not going to put the table back on the rug because the wheels or the wood can, while it's drying, while it's still wet, while it's drying, will transfer onto the rug, and then we'll have a bigger problem after that. So stay tuned with me as I go ahead and get this done. All right, guys, so I'm using the piece cleaner here, and I'm just blown away by the results so far. This rug, I mean, just look how bright it is. It's kind of hard to explain, man. How bright it is. Compared to what it was. It looks beautiful. Look at that. It's bright, vibrant.